Hello everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Today I'm at this iconic mall, Harborfront Center. It's going to be closed in the second half of 2026 because the government is going to redevelop it into something else. So let me show you the mall before it closes. Let's get moving. Alright, so in the news it said the Harborfront Center will close in second half of 2026. They will transform this 47-year-old site to a 33-story mixed building by 2031. 2031 is like 5 years later, and it will include officer space and elevator park. And then the existing flight terminal will move to a nearby facility. So tenants will be expected to move up by July 2026. So there'll be a new 2-level ferry and cruise terminal. Wow, look at this, 13,000 square meters elevated green waterfront park. So let's get started and explore. I see a very big McDonald's in front, and this space is quite big. Sparkle Vivian and Xia Fun Toast Coffee Shop, since 1941, a long time ago. And then the Yang Guo Fu Mala Tang, YGM Mala Tang. Look at all the mana mix and the collagen chicken soup. Lots of people. Vasan Kanza, I don't know what is that. It's the accessory shop. And look at this, man. Kawata House of Socks. So kawaii desu, so cute, huh? Hey, it's very cute. We have the socks for adults, children, and women. And look at the shoes. They sell shoes also. Wow, it's really, really cute, and it's quite insane now. It has so many colors. And then just beside is McDonald's. Well, you guys treasure this place, man. In 2 months, it'll be gone for 5 years. Okay, there's a so-called DNC Design and Comfort closing down. I saw this a few months back. It's still everything must go. So is it like a kind of like marketing strategy, man? By doing that, customers will tend to buy more. The Green Party Living Collection. Hey, there's some cafes here. 365 Juices Bar and 1 bowl 992 Island Black Tea Specialized. Baskin Robin Ramen Hito Yoshi Cold Storage. The Please Stop Collective. Some kind of toy here. Jersey. Hey, another one closing down sale once again. There is the Olay Apparels. Moss Burger is just the shop beside Ebikasu, the prawn burger. And limited time wasabi mayo. We have Honam here. Honam pork and prawn mee rojak lasa satay bihun. That's the old photo, red and white. Wow, now it becomes so atas. Wow. Beauty nutritious soup here. Yeah, I like that pot. Dangi donut and sup Thai food here. Raka pao. Tom Yum Goong. And Thai boat noodles. Look at these, man. World of candies. They sell chocolate as well, not just candies. Okay, there are many changes here. Azriza and Yakaba. Yakaba has some currency here, you know. Look at this, $50 notes. $1, 100, 500, 1,000. Then 5 to 1. And they have the ringgit as well as the Brunei money. Well, there's a disco here. Last time the St. James Power Station, quite old. Alright, here is the Singapore Cruise Center, you know. Besides the money exchange, the gift shops, there's actually a tour services here. You can buy tickets to Singapore tourist attractions. Like maybe Gardens by the Bay, and they provide services like shipping, courier to Indonesia and Malaysia. This one. You can buy tickets to see cable car, take cable car, see the Sentosa attraction, Hong City tour bus and Gardens by the Bay. Wow, this one they advertise a Peranakan house in Joo Chiat area, I believe. The intern, all this one must pay, you know. It's a private living museum. Basically, the owner here, right? he actually accumulate a lot of Peranakan stuff, and he live there as well. Then if you want to go there, right, you need to book appointment, and then I think it's pay $12 or something. A Springleaf Prata Place. Now it looks like an airport here, arrival gate 2, right? And then you can buy some chocolates, you know, before you go to Batam, Indonesia. The coca trees over there, and get your SIM cards. Buy the YG mobile phone. And right here with the famous Boleh Boleh food court, and then the chili ban mian. There are actually about 10 stores inside. And then outside there is a Shi Fang hot pot as well. Sarawak Kulomi and Popiah and Rojak at the corner. Yong Tau Hu. And look at the sitting area. There's also a claypot rice, Western food, and char kway teow right here. Penang char kway teow. And a Hainanese chicken rice. Look at this, man, herbal soup. The steam is coming up. And the clay pot rice right here. And the museum food is in front. I'm at level 2 now. They have one of the biggest branch, Don Don Donki. And this is a Singapore cruise center already. From here you can buy the ticket to take ferry, and the baggage checking in level 1. Look at that. Ferry operators, Batam Fast Horizon, Majestic, and Sindo. Near the departure gate, ferry operator, destination, and trip number as well, departure time. So at night there are some trips, even all the way until 9:50 p.m. And there's some kiddie rides here. Wow. They are 1989 Sui Heng or something on the left side, and a money changer just in time to change your Singapore dollars to rupiah, the currency of Indonesia. And here there is 1989 Sui Heng. There's some offers. Wow. There's even an old chunky here and a cafe corner. Hey, there's even a premium gift collection and investment Malayan. So in front is now the ferry departure, the lane. It looks like going to the airport, right? Check in. At the other side is for the cruise. Another departure gate. The toast box here, and in the daytime if you come during like before sunset, right? You can actually see like the sea and the boats. 7-Eleven strategically placed here as well as the iJuice and 2 other vending machines. Oh, this is a fortune teller. Love, health, and business. You hear the voice, man. It's $2. Basically, you put your hand here, right? And then they'll read it, some kind of scanner for your knives on your palm, and then they give you the answer, the fortune here. Collect a fortune here. Wow, strategically placed a massage chair right here. And then there's a kiddie childhood games here, as well as a Batam Fast Arrow line. And that way on the left is the Harborfront Center. Alright, there are more like ferry companies here you can buy. Majestic Fast Ferry, and there's a coffee shop called Tuck Shop, man. Alright, so in Fast Ferry, lots of competition. Okay, do you guys know there's a Singapore Post right here, 0322? It's quite small. And the other side is the Vivo City. PC New Spa. Actually, they have a brace system for Ingo New collection. I wanted to try it last time, like a few months ago, but I decided to go for the surgery to remove the Ingo New. It's faster. What they have is a brace system. It like they place some plastic on top of the nail to stop it from growing more. But I find that it's too long, man. I mean, it's not guaranteed they reduce it. Oh, look at this, a Highlander Fertility Wellness Center. They help the people to have babies, man. Wow, there's a game room here. called escape room. VR. There's even the ballet school, one of the big school, Japan Home. And this side seems to be quite deserted. I think it's mostly the education school, man. Chiropractic solutions. I like the word. 租约期满疯狂境界0%. It means when the lease expires, sale massive markdown. Raffles Medical. I wonder is there a taekwondo school here? And what is this? Wolfgang Violin Studio. Oh. By the way, I admire the architecture. All this wavy brown color intersecting rooftop. I can't believe it, man. There's a big store called Mother Care. I thought it's a small one. It's so big. It's not an NTUC, man. So you can read, I can read. Everybody can read, right? Hikuru Method Learning Center. I don't know what method they use, man. But that's a nice shop to show you guys in front. Alright, the shop name is called Baby Spa. They actually have spa for the baby, man. Look at that. And there are other services as well. Weighing skill, inflatable bathtub, and jump lean. Look at this. So the shops are all placing the removal sale because in 2 months the lease are going to expire, man. And I wonder where they will going to after this because it's not easy to find a good traffic area, you know. So maybe they'll move to Vivo City, but the rental is so high there, maybe twice double. And I think maybe they'll move to some neighborhood areas, maybe like Tiong Bahru Plaza or like Telok Blangah near here, or even they can go to Bugis Street, depending what kind of stuff they're selling. It's sad, you know, if everyone moves, but there's no choice because government want to redevelop this area. Most forgotten this shop, the Figure Lab. They sell some kind of blind box, you know.